Hey, guys. Today I'm going to show you the revolutionary future of creating marketing with no knowledge of graphics for almost free. Today I'm going to show you how I'm trying to create an in-store ad for hours. I was in Vienna at the Christmas markets and I was impressed by the window displays of many luxury shops. I learned a lot there and decided that once the features were made available in the software, I would also create something based on this Vienna school of marketing that I was able to see. So let's do it. The Krea.ai tool made text-based image generation available, along with adding elements for more precise modeling and image creation at will. This way, anyone can make things up as they need them when used correctly, whether it's a shop window ad, a product photo, or any other thing they need for their work. The whole thing only takes a few seconds, but I need to know what I want to achieve. In the first step, I needed to see to what extent the tool can render the store window and the watch itself in it. I added a caption to the Christmas background, and when I saw that the design in question would be realistic, I added a large square to represent the window on the store where the advertisement would be displayed. I'd already have the basics done. Now I need to link the shop window to the Christmas theme and the clock, which should be at the bottom of the shop window. Looking at the proposed results, which were starting to resemble my requirements, I realized that I would need to make a separate star, so that the AI could understand this and be able to detail and color this main element of the image. After a quick test of the possible linking and adjusting of the color spectrum, I discovered a way to quickly and correctly use this element in the image, which took about 5 minutes of real-time work in short tests. I arrived at a roughly final design for the main element of the storefront, which I want to develop further to achieve my goal. Once I got the main part done, it was time to fine-tune the rest. The concept was that there would be Christmas trees on either side, and Christmas balls would be hung at the top as decoration worthy of the section, as you can see. I started fiddling with the decorations on the sides of the star, which was slowly starting to get closer to the final result I wanted to achieve, which would be worth stabilizing and just fine-tuning to the final form. Once I got the main part done, it was time to fine-tune the rest. The concept was that there would be Christmas trees on either side, and Christmas balls would be hung at the top as decoration worthy of the section, as you can see. I started fiddling with the decorations on the sides of the star, which was slowly starting to get closer to the final result I wanted to achieve, which would be worth stabilizing and just fine-tuning to the final form. Once I have the background done, I go to create a space to place the watch as the portlet I want to display. I need to make a wooden space underneath the shop window where it would be appropriate to place the product, with the caveat that it must not be the domain of the space, just fine-tuning to make it recognizable. The final edit of the background is done, and with minor adjustments, it is ready to improve the quality and final redraw. Now I need to create a clock and a suitable box or other object to present it to the customer. After adding a short description of the clock, I created a set of a few suggestions that might be nice to see how the tool can generate the clock, and what description and process would be appropriate to create the ideal depiction of the clock, along with the Christmas theme. For this purpose, I drew a rectangular object to serve as a box or presentation object for the Christmas themed watch itself. After brief tests, I chose a very simple design for this quick test and had the Krea image improved to the final finish after I adjusted the background and lighting of the object some more. I then did a bit of magic in Canva, and here is the result. I'm not entirely happy with it, but that's due to the lack of time for the final edit, which would have needed more attention to better incorporate the watch into the image. But for half an hour of work, it's a very good result. I hope I have helped you, and this tool will assist you in your work. This is how I understand Christmas marketing in Vienna, and what should I process next time? Maybe I will choose your suggestion for the next video.